Today, I'll show you how to open the main settings page on FC25. So once you launch the game, you get the home page. This is the home page. Now, if you want to select to go to the main settings page, flick your left analog stick to the left side, and this will select the settings icon in the upper left corner. Once selected, open it by pressing the X button, and from here you'll access a couple of settings rather. Now there are more settings within the settings, so select the settings, and here there are other settings options. So these are basically the settings of the game settings, controller, customized settings, accessibility settings, and then once you go back, there's the profile settings, online settings, and all other settings that are available. So that's basically how to access the main settings page on FC25. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.